Good job.
And speaking of beautiful, everybody, the beautiful and talented Tiffany Pratt is here to show us another really fun craft project for the kids. Please welcome Tiffany.
Tiffany's here.
How are you?
Hey, my cuteness.
Hello.
Hi, darling. Yay, Tiffany.
Oh, good. How are you?
Good. What are you doing, doll? Did you hear what Andrea said about you, our makeup artist? That you were beautiful and just as nice as you are beautiful?
Well, that warms my heart.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm
so lucky.
You are.
That's so
All right.
nice. You guys are so sweet. Okay, let's get down to business.
All right,
We're
let's
making,
work it.
I think one of the,
get down to
the
business.
cutest projects in the entire world, guys. We're making these fun little people, right? Look at them.
Look
Aren't
at
they
them.
adorable, guys?
Ba-ba-ba.
Aren't they cute?
Aren't they amazing?
Look at them.
But look at this little guy. I think, look at him. I think he looks like one of the Muppets. I mean, I'm not kidding. That could be one of the puppets. Isn't that cute?
Mr. Valentine's, Mr. Valentine's.
I love
They are
him.
Heart
really
in the
cute.
chest.
Yeah.
I think
Love
you've
to
outdone
love.
yourself. That's probably the cutest craft of all time.
You guys are cute. Well, the kids love it, and that's why we're doing it, because kids love making little paper friends. And that's what these are all about. It's finding things in your house, and then naming them, and then building a little paper person around that name.
I feel
think that's
kind of sad,
cute.
because you know what? If I had done that when I was a little kid, I would have had a couple of friends.
Right? Build a friend.
Build a friend. Never had a friend, so
Why not?
build a friend.
Why don't you build a friend?
Yes,
okay,
totally.
go out and build a friend.
That's what I did with Steven. We actually built him, you know.
Yeah.
Well, you look
I made
so
it of
perfect.
paper.
No wonder. You're so perfect.
I want to wear these gloves. That's all I'm
Those are for
saying.
me, actually. Do you mind?
too bad.
No, these are going to be for me. Let's
Okay.
get down to business, guys.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay.
'Cause we pick a little body, because this is what we're going to do first. You can grab a Scotty's box, a box around your house, a pastry box, anything you want.
I'm going to use this one.
I'm gonna use this little guy.
And what you do is you just take Mod Podge and you cover the whole thing in anything you want. Fabric, it could be tissue paper that somebody bundled up from a gift. It doesn't matter.
So
you
just decoupage it and
yeah,
done.
dress it up. So you're putting clothes on your friend.
Cute. Okay.
So Freddie gets some clothes.
So then I got one here with a little feather on it. Okay. So
Kind of
that's
cute, right?
Yeah, I love
And
it.
we put this little bauble on the top, which is a little piece of wood for a neck.
Okay.
But guys, this is where the fun begins, okay?
Okay.
Balloons. Grab your balloon.
Grab a balloon.
Yours is over here.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Blow up a balloon.
Okay.
Let me blow one up too. I'll get some red lipstick on it.
So will I.
Kisses galore.
How big a head do we do in
Well,
here?
here's the fun part. You can have it. If you have a small body, you can do a big head.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. That would be hilarious.
That's a big head.
That's
good.
hilarious. So if you can play on scale. Yeah, do it big. Okay, now tie it on. Let me see how big yours is. Yeah, tie it on. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so if it's ready. Oh, look, I like it so big. That was hilarious.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, why not? Okay. So then you go to the kitchen with your kids and with your balloon that you've blown up, and you start making paper mache, which is really easy. Just
Yep.
regular white flour. I use wood glue or white glue in hot water.
Yep.
And you put it in a bowl.
Can you tie that for me? I can't tie it for you.
I can do it.
Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go.
Wood glue and white glue. Okay.
Wood glue and white. Okay.
Nice.
Okay,
There we
right?
go. Thank you.
Special, you guys get special little bowls. That's
Okay.
where it's going to go.
Yeah.
But first things first, roll up your sleeves.
Roll up my sleeves.
Yeah,
Oh,
come
am I
on.
getting
Okay, yeah,
messy?
let's get
Because you're gonna get good messy here,
We're
Christopher.
going to get messy.
Christopher,
No.
you've never
I've never, whatever, what do you call this?
It's
Decoupage?
no
Paper mache.
Oh, paper mache. Papier mache.
Right?
Yeah, papier mache.
Okay, so grab some newsprint.
Yep.
Shred it up into little strips. But small is easier to kind of handle.
Yep.
No. Fingers, no brushes.
No brush fingers?
No fingers.
Whoa.
fingers.
So you dip it in like so. This gets really gross, so
It sure
prepare
does.
yourself.
Yeah.
It's not
And then you
gross.
start layering it on. You love this, Steven.
Oh, you
Steven, would
kidding?
you don't mind?
Steven is so excited. He was
grew up
dying to
doing
do this.
I haven't done this in 100
Here we
years.
go.
I used to, like,
Perfect.
just
Yeah, okay.
No, you're not going to do this. You're not going to touch it. Come on.
Probably
Chris.
not. Yeah.
Honestly,
You're
you're
gonna help me. You're gonna help me.
I am trying to help you, but you got to
Okay.
get messy with
Come
me. You know.
on.
I was one of those little kids that
Come
was
on
just
in, the water's
absolutely
warm.
always perfectly dressed and absolutely never dirty.
He's
Well,
not
that's
lying.
gonna
He's
happen
not
here today.
lying.
Don't make me rub this on
Chris,
your
you're
shirt.
not lying.
I always
It's
had
true.
those shorts and the little sports jacket. My
He
mom,
did.
I looked like I was in private school. I said to my mom, Mom, why did you dress me like that? She goes, honey, you asked to be dressed like that.
But guys, get this. He did. Christopher, you were.
I had that perfect little
He was in a
love it.
sports jacket.
I had a little bob.
A
It looked like a
little
bob.
tie.
It was like a little tie, a little
You
jacket, a
killed
little
me.
shorts, a high knee
Did
socks.
you have the pocket puff
Yeah,
and the ascot? Because that would
No,
rub
that
it
would have
over
been
the
too
edge.
much. Okay, sorry, honey. Here we go.
This is fun.
The point is that you got to cover this entire balloon. The more layers of this, the better, because you want it to be nice and strong, right? So
Okay.
pat, pat, pat. I like to throw a little glue on the balloon and then throw the paper down because it makes it easy, right?
Yeah,
totally.
Look at you with the fingertips.
I am totally
I'm
helping.
dying.
Okay.
Oh!
Well, you can throw a feather in there. Why not?
Oh, you can put a feather
yeah,
in
why
it?
not?
I like that. I
Doesn't
like
matter.
that. I like that. I like
Okay,
that.
so let's-
Oh, I like this one here. This
okay,
is
so
this
let's-
is an ad for
we're
bras. Let's
moving
put that
on.
right on the top. Look at
Everyone
that.
loves a breast.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay, so we're throwing this down.
of chicken.
Oh, God. Okay, so chicken. We love chicken.
Mine's going really well. Pretty
Well,
smooth.
once you're done, you let it dry overnight, and you've got a balloon that's nice and hard.
Yeah.
And so then...
So you can't burst that balloon. Oh, yeah,
Yes, you can. You can.
Oh,
Well,
I
you
just
broke
did.
it.
Yeah, I did. Okay.
Okay, so you can... Where's this? Okay, it doesn't matter. So you break the balloon, and then you can start painting it any color you want. I like to prime the balloon, because if you put a little white on it, then the color that you choose actually... Oh, bejesus. You know, I turned my back for 5 seconds, and the glove is on. I said no.
You cannot bring a pair of gloves onto the Stephen and Chris show that Stephen's dying to wear them, but I'm the one that's going to do it.
Okay.
I'm with you, girl. I'm
Thank you.
listening.
You're with me. You're
But now I can get into the papier-mâché.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so you have a blue.
I have blue. Here's my little face.
Your little face. Yours is green.
Oh, I like green.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
And so now we are going to build the face. And this is where the magic begins.
Okay.
Because you can start grabbing all these fun little bits and bites.
Bits and bobbits,
You got it. Now, where's your... Let's pull your hot glue out.
And we have our hot glue.
Right here.
Okay.
You can't live without hot glue.
So we're just going to build our little faces, right?
Yes, please. Okay, so what are you going to do?
I'm going to build the
I
face.
just think this is great.
Okay, well, let's find things. Come on.
I don't know why sometimes I get a little panicked.
I was going to say, you're panicking. This is
No,
the
you know
fun
what?
part.
I'm not actually. I'm going to do 2 eyes. You watch this. I'm
But
not
I
going to panic.
prepared these for you.
Oh, I like those. I'm going to make those my eyes.
What do you got? Oh, look at you. Okay, you're almost done.
Can we get a close-up of Stephen's
You know,
face? Does he look like he's completely obsessed over there?
This is a competition always. It never ends.
Obsessed or
It never
possessed?
ends.
He either goes obsessed
Okay,
or
so we need
possessed.
some hair, right?
I need some hair. Look
we
how
need some
cute
hair.
he is. Yeah,
He's
totally.
really precious. Does he have a name yet? Oh, look at It's like, here, Tiffany, look what I did.
Okay.
Look what I did. Tiffany, look what I did.
Not too
I
much
feel like
attention to
I'm-
him. Yeah.
Okay, nose.
Okay, nose. Okay.
Nose. Do you like this nose?
I do love it.
Okay, pop it on.
Okay.
Ting.
Yeah.
Oh my God, glue on my finger. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Now, what about a really fun little mouth? I like doing sort of mouths that aren't really mouths, because that's the fun part. Because, you know, when kids make the choices, don't tell them what to do. Don't say, oh God, that doesn't look like a nose. Let them do it.
I'm going to do a flower mouth.
Let them do it?
See
See,
that?
I
Let them
wouldn't
do
do that.
it.
Oh,
I am
let them
doing
do
a
it,
flower
really,
mouth.
Tiffany?
Well, I know you don't like that and you want to tell them it looks bad, but I think it's so... This looks horrible. You don't
Stephen,
know
how are you doing over there?
I'm doing really well.
Okay, now hold on.
I'm enjoying mine.
I have some hair ideas
I think
for you.
let's get the hair on because we've got to go to break.
Okay,
So let's get some hair on
Okay,
here.
so let's grab some glue.
I was thinking a perfectly bleached out blonde look.
That's
was
what I
totally
got.
Going,
No way!
do you
mine.
really? Oh, you do. You got
Okay,
the, you got
well,
the
you're
one I
getting it
want.
too.
I
I'm
like
already
it.
done.
Matching blondes.
We're going to take a quick break. What are we doing after the break, sweetheart?
Okay, so we are putting clothes on our puppet, and you can't miss these outfits. So come back and see it.
Nice.
It's going to be so good.
I'm loving
Look at that baby right there. How cute is that little number?
Later, how strong is your marriage? We've got to try to figure out a relationship all by ourselves. That's a big, complicated thing to do. It's kind of like trying to figure out parenting all by ourselves.
Hey, everybody, we're back with Tiffany. We're making these really cute little...
Paper people.
Paper people. I was going to say
people.
puppets. But
Paper
yeah.
people. Well, they're puppets, paper people. They're buddies, build a friend sort of
I
thing.
like it.
And we glued the little head on.
Yep.
And
Hair and
I'm not going to lie,
faces.
Stephen. Yours is a bit ugly. I'm not going to lie.
Yours is really cute.
Mine's
Mine's
exceptional.
super
Mine's
Yours is
exceptional.
really cute. Okay,
Yeah.
so now this is the fun part. Buttons and fabrics, and you can start dressing
This
them
is
up.
the fun part because all the rest of it was dull.
Well, it just the fun escalates to like
yeah,
over
yeah.
the top stuff.
So we're doing like legs and
And
arms.
exactly. So now you get to put the real fixins because I feel like the arms they really
Yeah.
get to like give the personality.
Okay.
So you can grab a pipe cleaner in your
Yeah,
world.
okay.
Who doesn't live without pipe cleaners?
Me, I have tons of them.
And then you just start doing fun things to them, right? So you can put fabrics. I already put the whole.
Oh, you did? Okay, that's what I thought.
You
Yeah,
kill me.
I know.
Like
Okay.
I'm so
Here we
on
go.
it already, and you're doing this. And
Okay.
then we put these little wood pieces for necks, and you can put little necklaces on. So check this
okay.
out. Look, he can be like Puff Daddy.
Right out.
Right?
Yep.
We'll put him on. like
That's
that.
exactly
We
what
just-
Puff Daddy would wear. Yeah, I love it.
And then hold on. Look at this. You can put a cell
More like
phone
the
in his
Queen
hand.
would ask
A little
me.
cell
Yeah.
phone. Little cell phone. Like call me.
Who's
Call
got
me.
a cell phone?
You
I
got
got
a
a cell
phone.
phone.
Oh my gosh, hang on a second, guys. I gotta take this. Hello?
What? Yeah.
I can't hear you. You sound very small.
That's a bad
He's
joke.
gonna go in your arm. That was really good, though. I liked
like it.
Hello. Yes.
I like the little book you had, though, the Stephen and Chris book.
Pick one,
yeah,
you
just got
guys
that
each
here,
get your
watch.
own prop.
Okay,
It's
I'm
about
gonna take the
sharing.
cell phone.
We have to
Okay.
learn how to share when we craft, right?
okay.
Sharing.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I'm gonna make-
we gotta
okay.
glue that in. Let's do another one.
Yeah.
Look
So
at this fun, like. Just go crazy. You can do, like, this has got paper and flowers and yarn. And again, don't give the kids any rules. Just say, wrap this pipe cleaner.
Just
and
maybe a few rules, no?
Okay.
Okay, what kind of rules are you thinking? Give me an idea of what you're thinking.
Stephen likes
Like
rules.
the eyes have to be even and stuff like that. Like, look
Yeah.
at Christopher's
Okay, no,
eye.
hold on. Oh, look at the Puff Daddy. Now let's cover your
Do you
neck.
have one long
Okay.
black hair? I want to trade my hair in. I want to do more of a Kim Kardashian kind of thing.
Well, Why don't we do like long gold hair?
I love it. I want red
like,
carpet. I want red carpet ready, and I want long black hair.
That's like a sash or something.
We'll
Wait, there's a butterfly. You can put the butterfly in his hair.
She would never wear that. Oh my gosh, no.
I would do it.
Kim would do this. Kim would do this.
She would totally do that. Yeah,
okay.
she'd wrap her hair in that.
There's a little bracelet, right? We'll put the bracelet on Kim.
Is it real diamonds?
Absolutely.
You know it. She'd totally wear that.
Absolutely. Are you kidding? We only have the best of diamonds here for these
like
puppets.
It.
This is cute. And
okay,
then you
no,
pop
we have
in
to
some
do
legs.
his neck, because his neck's really bothering me.
Okay, so let's get plaid.
Okay, so my arms are... Oh, I want to glue that right here.
Yeah, let's look at like that, right? You got to cover it.
Yes,
and then, hold on, I think, do we have more? Yeah, look
I am out of glue, and I'm so devastated.
Look, we need more. We need more. Are you kidding?
We have more box of blingy stuff.
Well, it never ends, right? Here, look.
No, we're going a little bit too RuPaul now. I just want to stay with Kim Kardashian. Stay with Kim Kardashian.
Look at this guy, though. This is so fun,
look,
right?
Here we go. Look at.
Okay, but the whole idea with the children is that they will put this on their shelf, and you can just keep making this. So call on things around the house, because I don't want this to be expensive.
No.
This needs to be an adventure, right?
Yes.
A crafting adventure in your home. And they are boxes, so they sit on shelves, and these guys are by themselves.
I think you should go, like I said before, always go into your mom's closet and pull out all of the clothes, all the flashy clothes that look really expensive, cut them up in little pieces and make dolls out of them.
You know, I'm just going to get in all kinds of trouble.
We're getting late. Put your little legs on, Tiffany. Tiffany, this is great.
It kills me. Okay, well, you know what? Do this at home. It's so fun for the kids, and I love you guys.
What do you think, everybody? Isn't that fun?
Thank you.
It's a fun project for kids. I think
Kim Kardashian, she's going to... Kim, call me and I'll send over your doll to you, okay? Love you. Thank you, darling.
Thanks, Tiffany. Everybody, when we come back... Chef Joshua is in the kitchen. We're going to make some really simple dinner recipes, so don't go away.
Thanks,
Look
baby.
I love mine. Look.
Thank you.
That's my new best friend.
You're so sweet.
Next.
If you would, please